Welcome to Kasaragod, a coastal paradise in northern Kerala, India. Nestled between the lush slopes of the Western Ghats and the azure expanse of the sea, Kasaragod is a land where natural beauty and cultural heritage intertwine. Join us now as we venture into this captivating landscape, a tapestry woven with emerald green backwaters, cascading waterfalls and ancient forts that whisper tales of bygone eras. We'll explore pristine beaches where the only footprints you're likely to find are those of shorebirds, and trek through dense forests teeming with life. Let us be your guides as we uncover the hidden wonders of this remarkable destination. Our journey begins on the serene shores of Bekal Beach, a haven of golden sands stretching as far as the eye can see. The rhythmic ebb and flow of the waves create a soothing symphony, inviting you to unwind and embrace the tranquility of the coast. Standing sentinel over these shores is the magnificent Bekal Fort, its imposing laterite walls a testament to a rich and storied past.
This formidable structure, dating back to the 17th century, has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, its ramparts echoing with tales of valiant warriors and ancient battles. Today, Bekal Fort offers breathtaking panoramic views of the coastline, a place where history whispers on the wind. As you wander through its ancient gateways and crumbling archways, you can almost feel the weight of centuries, imagining the lives and stories that unfolded within its walls.
Our next destination takes us north along the coast to Kapil Beach, a hidden gem where time seems to slow down. Here, the gentle rustling of palm trees provides a soothing soundtrack as you stroll along the pristine shoreline. The tranquil atmosphere of Kapil Beach is perfect for those seeking solace and rejuvenation. As you wander along the beach, you'll likely encounter fishermen casting their nets into the turquoise waters, their silhouettes painted against the setting sun. Their ancient craft is a testament to the enduring connection between the people of Kasaragod and the sea. Kapil Beach is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, to reconnect with nature, and to simply be present in the moment. Our exploration now takes us to Chandragiri Beach, a place where the life-giving waters of the Chandragiri River merge with the vast expanse of the Arabian Sea. This unique confluence creates a landscape of breathtaking beauty, a tapestry of shimmering waterways and golden sands.
Flocks of migratory birds soar overhead, their calls echoing across the water, while colorful fishing boats bob gently in the harbor, adding splashes of vibrant color to the scene. Chandragiri Beach is a sanctuary for both wildlife and those seeking respite from the ordinary. The gentle lapping of the waves against the shore creates a soothing rhythm, inviting you to unwind and embrace the peaceful ambience.
As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the water, Chandragiri Beach transforms into a canvas of breathtaking hues. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a moment of awe-inspiring beauty, Chandragiri Beach is a destination that will captivate your senses. From the sun-drenched coastline, we now venture inland, ascending into the cool embrace of the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the world's most important biodiversity hotspots.
These ancient mountains, cloaked in emerald green forests, are a sanctuary for a staggering array of plant and animal life. Here, towering trees reach for the sky, their canopies forming a dense, verdant ceiling above the forest floor. Waterfalls cascade down moss-covered cliffs, their thunderous roar a testament to the raw power of nature. The Western Ghats are a paradise for trekkers and nature enthusiasts, offering a glimpse into a world teeming with life. Winding trails lead through dense undergrowth, revealing hidden waterfalls, sparkling streams, and breathtaking vistas at every turn.
As you explore this pristine wilderness, keep a watchful eye out for the elusive creatures that call this place home. Deep within the emerald embrace of the Western Ghats lies a hidden gem, the Mallikarjuna waterfall. This cascade of pure white water plunges from a rocky precipice, its thunderous roar echoing through the surrounding forest.
The air around the falls is cool and misty, infused with the sweet scent of wildflowers and damp earth. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy above, creating a dappled effect on the forest floor, illuminating the lush ferns and mosses that thrive in this humid environment.
Reaching Mallikarjuna waterfall requires a trek through the dense undergrowth, but the reward is well worth the effort. The sight of the cascading water, its raw power juxtaposed against the tranquility of the surrounding forest, is a truly awe-inspiring experience.
This hidden oasis is a haven for nature lovers and those seeking a moment of solitude amidst the splendor of the natural world.
Our exploration of Kasaragod's waterfalls continues as we make our way to Ranipuram, a paradise for trekkers and adventure enthusiasts. The journey to Ranipuram waterfall is an adventure in itself, a trek through lush forests, across gurgling streams and past breathtaking viewpoints.
The trail winds its way up the slopes of the Western Ghats, offering glimpses of the surrounding valleys and the distant Arabian Sea shimmering on the horizon. The air grows cooler as you ascend, the sounds of civilization fading behind, replaced by the symphony of the forest.
And then you hear it, the thunderous roar of Ranipuram waterfall, announcing its presence long before it comes into view. Emerging from the dense foliage, the waterfall is a sight to behold. A torrent of water cascading down a sheer rock face into a crystal-clear pool below.
The spray from the falls creates a refreshing mist, inviting you to cool off after your trek.
From the cascading waterfalls of the Western Ghats, we now return to the embrace of the coast, where the Chandragiri River meanders its way towards the Arabian Sea.
This serene waterway, its surface like a ribbon of silver winding through the emerald green landscape, offers a different perspective on the beauty of Kasaragod.
The gentle current of the river invites you to embark on a leisurely boat ride, a chance to experience the tranquility of this watery world.
As you glide along the water, the sounds of the city fade into the distance, replaced by the gentle lapping of water against the hull of the boat and the calls of kingfishers diving for their prey. Lush vegetation lines the banks of the river, creating a verdant corridor teeming with life. As you drift along its tranquil waters, you'll feel a sense of peace wash over you, leaving you refreshed and rejuvenated.
Our journey through Kasaragod now takes us to the enchanting Valyaparamba backwaters, a labyrinth of canals, lagoons and islands that offer a glimpse into the heart of rural Kerala.
Here, life unfolds at a slower pace, dictated by the rhythms of nature and the ebb and flow of the tides. The air is filled with the scent of salt air, fish drying in the sun, and the sweet aroma of coconut palms swaying gently in the breeze.
Traditional houseboats, their thatched roofs reflecting the golden hues of the setting sun, glide serenely along the waterways, offering a unique perspective on this watery world.
Local fishermen cast their nets into the tranquil waters, their movements honed by generations of tradition. The Valyaparamba backwaters are a haven for birdwatchers, with numerous species of migratory and resident birds calling this ecosystem home.
Kasaragod's rich biodiversity is a testament to the importance of preserving these natural habitats for generations to come. These gentle giants share their domain with tigers, leopards and sloth bears, each playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The skies above Kasaragod are no less impressive, painted with the vibrant hues of numerous bird species. Look out for the majestic Brahmini kite soaring effortlessly on the thermals, or the Malabar grey hornbill with its distinctive casque, a symbol of the Western Ghats. Narrator Media Group Malabar grey hornbill in the wild, Western Ghats bird species, birds in Kerala forest at stock at distribute _equally. Venture into the depths of the Western Ghats, and you might be lucky enough to encounter the Asian elephant, its massive form moving with surprising grace through the dense undergrowth. The region's varied ecosystems, from the lush forests of the Western Ghats to the fertile backwaters, provide sanctuary to a remarkable array of life. Narrator, Media Group, dense Western Ghats forest, Kerala backwaters, lush forests and backwaters at stock at distribute _equally. Kasaragod is not just a feast for the eyes with its breathtaking landscapes, it's a haven for an incredible diversity of flora and fauna. Our journey through Kasaragod concludes at Bikal Fort, a majestic structure that stands as a testament to the region's rich history.
Perched atop a promontory overlooking the Arabian Sea, Bikal Fort's imposing laterite walls have witnessed centuries of change, their silent stones whispering tales of bygone eras.
Built in the 17th century by the Shivappa Nayaka of Kaladi, Bikal Fort served as a strategic stronghold, guarding the Malabar coast from invaders. Its ramparts offer breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, allowing you to imagine the watchful eyes that once scanned the horizon for approaching ships.
Step inside the fort's massive gates and you'll be transported back in time. Wander through its crumbling archways, explore its underground tunnels, and imagine the lives of the soldiers who once patrolled its ramparts.
Bikal Fort stands as a proud reminder of Kasaragod's resilience and its enduring spirit, a fitting end to our exploration of this captivating region. From the tranquil beaches kissed by the Arabian Sea to the misty peaks of the Western Ghats, Kasaragod has revealed its secrets, a tapestry of natural wonders, cultural treasures, and warm hospitality. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a glimpse into Kerala's rich heritage, Kasaragod has something unique to offer. We've wandered through ancient forts, sailed along serene backwaters, and trekked through forests teeming with life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.